Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best polyethylene glue is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone dealing with the unique challenges of bonding this notoriously difficult-to-adhere plastic, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes a polyethylene glue truly effective, exploring the science behind its adhesion, and guiding you through the selection process to ensure your projects stand the test of time. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional seeking reliable bonding solutions for polyethylene materials. Number 5. Glue Masters Professional Grade Thick CA Super Glue. Discover the power of professional grade adhesion. This thick viscosity super glue is perfect for all your DIY projects, ensuring a strong and lasting bond. Whether you're working with plastic or wood, this adhesive delivers exceptional results. Its robust formula is designed for durability and precision. With 56 grams of high-quality cyanoacrylate, you'll have plenty for numerous applications. Experience reliable performance every time you use it. Elevate your crafts with an adhesive trusted by professionals. It provides a secure hold that stands the test of time. Applying this thick glue is straightforward, leading to impressive and strong bonds. It's the ideal solution for intricate repairs and creative builds. What we like. If you're tackling larger projects or need a substantial amount of glue, this thick viscosity formula is a great choice. Its generous quantity ensures you won't run out mid-project. Consider this if you're working on DIY crafts, wood repairs, or any application requiring a robust, long-lasting bond. What people say. Nice and thick so it makes it easy to put it on without it running, and bonds pretty quickly. It holds solid in just a few seconds and takes a few hours to completely cure, but nothing moves once it's set. Also, the bottle can sit with the cap on for months and you can come back to it and it will be just like new. No frozen cap, no crusty nozzle, no gimmicks. This is the very first one that didn't dry up immediately and make it so I couldn't use it the second time. It has just the right consistency, and I've mended dozens of broken items in the house. Two great examples are my broken plastic refrigerator drawer handle and the broken plastic door handle on my clothes dryer, both of which are pulled on constantly of course. Each repair has lasted for several years so far. Number 4. Super Glue Kit 4 ounces All-Purpose CA Glue. Need a quick fix that lasts? This adhesive sets fast and delivers a strong hold for everyday repairs, from crafts to household fixes and DIY projects. This kit comes with everything you need for a perfect bond. It includes anti-clog caps for extended life, precision microtips for better control, gloves for protection, and sanding papers for surface prep. Achieve a clean application with better control thanks to its medium-thick, syrup-like flow. It bonds quickly, making it ideal for beginners and hard-to-reach areas. From wood and metal to ceramic and glass, this versatile adhesive bonds a wide range of materials. It's your go-to solution for various projects, including furniture repair and crafting. Enjoy peace of mind with a 24-month freshness warranty when stored properly. If you're not satisfied, we guarantee a refund for your purchase. What we like. For those who appreciate convenience and precision, this kit is ideal. The included accessories like microtips and anti-clog caps enhance the user experience. If you're a beginner or need controlled application for smaller repairs, this medium-thick formula offers a good balance of speed and manageability. What people say. The bonding strength is impressive. I've used it on different materials including plastic, metal, and wood, and it has performed exceptionally well each time. The quick-drying formula is a huge plus, allowing me to complete my projects without long wait times. One of the standout features is the precision applicator, which makes it easy to use without any mess. Whether I'm working on delicate crafts or repairing household items, the applicator ensures that I apply just the right amount of adhesive every time. Its medium-thick viscosity allows for easy application, and it bonds incredibly well with a wide range of materials, such as leather, ceramic, plastic, glass, metal, wood, and more. Number 3. Loctite Super Glue Plastics Bonding System. Introducing an advanced two-part adhesive formula. It includes glue and an activator to prime surfaces for a superior bond. This product easily bonds to challenging plastics like polyethylene, polypropylene, and PTFE. It's designed for those difficult-to-bond materials. Experience tremendous strength with this highly resistant cyanoacrylate adhesive. No clamping or mixing is required for its powerful bond. Achieve invisible repairs in seconds. This bonding system instantly dries transparent, making repairs seamless. Enjoy lasting durability. It is resistant to water, most chemicals, and even freezing temperatures. What we like. When dealing with notoriously tricky plastics like polyethylene or polypropylene, this bonding system is your go-to. The included activator ensures a superior bond on these challenging materials. If you need a strong, invisible repair on specific plastic types, this product delivers with speed and reliability. What people say. The only one to fuse the broken pieces together was the Loctite Super Glue Plastics bonding system. Comes with a little Sharpie-like primer that you just glide along both edges, and the tube of glue itself, to be applied to only one edge. It works on most of the plastics I have tried, including ABS. Number 2. Plastic Glue 100G, Heavy-Duty Plastic Adhesive. Introducing a powerful adhesive specifically designed for all your plastic bonding needs. It's perfect for assembling models, repairing 3D prints, and fixing everyday plastic items. This versatile glue is formulated to work effectively on common rigid plastics like PLA, ABS, PVC, and acrylic. Achieve precise repairs and strong bonds on detailed projects. Get a durable bond in seconds with our fast-setting formula. It's ideal for quickly fixing broken or separated plastic components, making it a practical choice for urgent repairs. Achieve superior control and minimize mess with the included 6 precision microtips. They are perfect for applying the adhesive in tight spaces and on detailed work. Whether you're working on 3D printing repairs, assembling model cars, or fixing miniatures, this adhesive is your go-to solution. Restore your plastic items instead of replacing them. Experience a strong, clean, and reliable bond every time. This heavy-duty adhesive ensures your plastic repairs are built to last, providing peace of mind for all your projects. What we like. This glue is specifically engineered for rigid plastics, making it perfect for detailed work on models and 3D prints. The precision microtips allow for accurate application in tight spaces. If you're a hobbyist working with PLA, ABS, or PVC, and require a strong, fast-setting bond, this is an excellent option. What people say. This glue took me by surprise. I was concerned since I was adhering 2 large 3D printed, PLA, parts together, that some glue wouldn't work well. Initially I applied slight sanding to both faces and put the glue on and out the faces together. Within about 3 minutes they held well together to where I couldn't pull them apart. After curing for 24 hours it held really well. This glue does what it says, strong bond, dries clear, and holds up well on glass. I used it for a mirror repair and it's holding strong. The fast curing time is nice too. I used this to stick rubber 1/8 scale tires to plastic rims. Gives you just enough lead time to adjust position before setting hard. Comes with a few long attachment spouts that taper down to almost zero, which allows applying just the right amount where it needs to be. Number 1. 3M High Strength 90 Spray Adhesive. Experience effortless application with our innovative spray adhesive. Its unique design allows you to spray perfectly, even when holding the can upside down. Achieve a powerful and quick bond on a wide variety of materials. This adhesive is perfect for everything from delicate crafts to robust construction projects. Create a lasting connection with this versatile glue. It dries quickly and bonds strongly to numerous surfaces, making it ideal for projects big and small. Tailor your application with precision. The adjustable nozzle lets you control the spray width, ensuring the perfect amount of adhesive for any task. Rely on its durability in challenging conditions. This adhesive offers excellent resistance to both moisture and high temperatures, ensuring a long-lasting hold. From interior construction and HVAC to general repairs and large surface bonding, this adhesive is your go-to solution for diverse industrial and maintenance needs. What we like. For large-scale projects requiring quick and even coverage, this spray adhesive is unmatched. Its high-strength formula bonds a wide variety of materials, including plastics, wood, and metal. If you're working on construction, upholstery, or any task needing to bond large surfaces efficiently, this product is designed for you. What people say. It applies so evenly, like a spider web. A short learning curve, but does it ever hold? Works as advertised, very sticky and bonds well, just make sure you don't wait too long. To reposition. Work to apply foam decking to OSB. Quick dry time and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.